Your machine comes with a one-step buttonhole feature. To get started, find the buttonhole foot in your accessory tray. Also find the seam ripper. You'll also need a button, a pen, a small ruler, and a fabric marking tool that won't stain your fabric. It's also a good idea to use stabilizer in your fabric. That way the fabric doesn't bunch while sewing. Place the button on the fabric where you want the buttonhole to go. Use the fabric marking tool to mark the bottom of the button. Use the small ruler to create a line from that mark. This will help line up the buttonhole foot. Raise the slider and insert the button. Secure the slider. Now you're ready to put the buttonhole foot on the machine. Raise the presser foot and push the presser foot release lever. This will release the foot that's already on the machine. Take your buttonhole foot and line up the pin. Drop down the presser foot until it snaps into place. Place your fabric and line up the line on the fabric with the hole in the presser foot. Bring down the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Now that we have our fabric placed, the presser foot down, and the buttonhole lever down, let's check our stitch dials to make sure they're correct. Set your stitch dial to the buttonhole setting. Change your length dial to the buttonhole setting. Our width dial is going to stay at 6. Now you're ready to start sewing a buttonhole. Press your foot down on the pedal. Make sure the needle is up by turning the hand wheel towards you. Bring the presser foot up, and there you have a buttonhole. Use a hand sewing needle to pull the thread to the back. Tie it off and cut off any excess. Place a pin at the top of the stitch. This will act as a stop. Find your seam ripper in your accessory tray. Insert it at the bottom of your stitch on the inside of the buttonhole. Now you're ready to cut open the buttonhole. Take out the pin, and there's the new buttonhole.